Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add poll to Instagram post. It's very simple, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open Instagram and tap on this plus icon in the bottom. Then select a post or reel to add poll. You can add in both. I will add poll to Instagram post. So select the post, then tap on next on the top right corner. Then again tap on next in bottom right corner. After that, write a caption. I'm writing YT tutorial. Then tap on poll. After that, write your poll options. I'm writing yes and no. You can also add more than two options by tapping on this option, add another option. I'm adding absolutely. You have to add options according to your poll. Then save this from top right corner and share your post from bottom. You can see post shared. Now open comment section and you can see the poll in the comment section. And this is how you can add poll to Instagram post.